Hello guys, if you are unable to switch to a different Microsoft or Xbox account in Forza Horizon 6 on PC, then there are a few methods you can try and one of them should fix the problem for you. So first, open the Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon at the top right and then sign out of your account. After that, open the Xbox app as well, click on your profile icon there and sign out from the Xbox account too. Once both accounts are signed out, launch Forza Horizon 6 again. When the game starts, it will ask you to sign in because the game cannot be used without a Microsoft account. At that point, just select sign in and then log in with the different account that you actually want to use in the game. For many people, this alone fixes the account switching issue, but if the game still keeps logging into the wrong account, then try this next method. Click on the Windows icon, open settings, then go to accounts. After that, open email and accounts. Here you will see all the Microsoft accounts connected to your PC. Now if the game keeps selecting the wrong account automatically, remove the accounts that you do not want to use. You can click on an account, press remove and do the same for other unwanted accounts as well. Then keep only the account that you want to use with Forza Horizon 6 or sign back in later with the correct one. If the problem is still not fixed, then there is one more method that works for a lot of users. Open the Windows search bar, type Credential Manager and open it. Then go to Windows Credentials. Inside this section, look for Xbox related credentials. Now find the entry called XPL device key or anything similar related to Xbox services. Select it and then click remove. After removing that credential, restart the game, try signing in again and the account switching issue should now be fixed. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.